Best rated anti-snoring mouthpiece review. Hello. In today's video we're gonna talk about best rated anti-snoring mouthpiece. And it's called Snorple. You will learn where to buy anti-snoring mouthpiece, how to get anti-snoring mouthpiece coupon code and discount. So, Snorple, in my opinion, is the best anti-snoring mouthpiece on the market. It's the only solution with tongue bumpers and 15 combined adjustment variations, putting an end to snoring by focusing on the main cause, your tongue. Plus, every Snorple is backed by 30-day money-back guarantee. Snorple features. It helps stop the root cause of snoring by directly affecting the tongue. Snorple is the only snoring solution with a completely adjustable tongue support system for maximum comfort. It's like a snore harness for your tongue. It prevents the tongue from blocking your airway. The revolutionary tongue support is your key to ultimate success. Now let's see how Snorple works. First, fill a pot with 3 inches of water and then boil. Then carefully remove with spoon. Put Snorple into your mouth and bite down. Remove your Snorple, rinse. Repeat if necessary. Here you can watch some Snorple reviews from verified buyers. And if you go here, there are a lot of positive testimonials. You can get Snorple for $69. You can choose from 3 colors, orange, red and blue. You can also get a $7 discount. The discount code is in the description. So, hit the link in the description and order your Snorple at the best price today.